my name's Carly from the CPAP Shop, and today I'm joined by one of our machine experts, Milton, and we're going to walk through the comfort features of the ResMed AirMini.
So, when you have your machine fully prepared, clearly you're going to have a different screen, but this is on an Android phone. You will see first your therapy settings, and you also see this feature called Mask Fit. What Mask Fit does is it gives you the ability to start the unit, and then you can test how the mask is fitting on your face. If it's good, you'll see a good mask seal, or it'll tell you to adjust with a red screen or with a red indicator. So once you make those adjustments, you're kind of all set to go. Again, this is where you see your regular therapy settings, and then you see this option down here at the bottom. It's a little gear. This will go over ramp time. That will either give you an auto feature, or you can go between 5 and 45 minutes, or you can actually turn that off. Ramp is just a slow glide into the main portion of the unit. You just want to make sure that that slow with pressure, it kind of starts lower, and then it gives you the ability to fall asleep. And then after that, the machine starts to function. There's also a pressure relief. You can turn that on and off. What that does is as you exhale against the unit, the pressure will back up a little bit, so that way you can actually feel a little bit better. It feels more like natural breathing against the actual unit. Then you also have SmartStart and SmartStop. You can turn those on or off. SmartStart, as you breathe into the unit, as soon as you put the mask on, the machine will start. SmartStop, as soon as you remove the mask off of your face, it will give you the ability to turn the machine off without you actually physically hitting the power button. And those are just a few of the features that you'll actually see on your ResMed AirMini.
So could you explain the different auto modes with this device?
Yes, so there are 3 different features that are actually built into this one unit. First feature is the CPAP feature, where it it's just one fixed pressure. That's the pressure that you experience during your entire sleep session. Second is Auto-CPAP, which basically means it gives you a range that fluctuates as you sleep at night, and as you have apnea episodes, the pressure will rise, and then it will alleviate the episode and then go back down to the base pressure that's noted on the unit. And the last feature that's built in is the Auto for Her. The Auto for Her is basically because women tend to have a more shallow breath when they breathe. The machine will do a softer transition between pressures, but still function the same way as an automatic unit will.
Thanks for all this great information, Milton. The ResMed AirMini Travel CPAP machine is currently in stock and ready to ship. You can purchase this device directly on our website at www.thecpapshop.com. Give us a call with any questions at 866-414-9700. Thanks for watching.